G'day everybody, welcome back to the office. This time we have a full-on field of 43rd cars to get through. There's something for everybody in this. Let's just get stuck in, shall we? If this is the first time watching any of our videos, welcome to the channel. What we'd like to do is every time we get a container coming down from the factory, they send us a whole bunch of cars to look at before the container arrives. It gives us a chance to have a look at what's coming, sort out all our licensing and stuff, do a bit of advertising, and we'd like to take you along for the ride. So we basically bust them out. You can all have a little bit of a bo peep. We'll go through them one by one. Let's jump in and rip them apart. Righto, they're all unboxed. Let's jump in and have a bit of a deep dive on these, shall we? Let's start there. Right, first cab off the rank, it's the Chaz. Was it the Chaz? It was the Chaz.
Is it the Chad?
Okay, so first off, we've actually got the Indigenous Round from 2024. This is a pretty mad looking car. The 18th car is awesome. This also works equally well at this scale. We've also got the 2025 Taupo Super 440 Race 9 winner. There's actually a bit of a theme going on with Indigenous stuff and Kiwi stuff all through this little set, so that's kind of cool. Obviously, if you're a fan of Chaz, grab them. If you're a 43rd collector, grab them. You know, the usual stuff. Buy our stuff. It's pretty straightforward. That's pretty much all we've got to say about these two. Let's go and have a look at some other cars. Carrying on with the Kiwi theme, we've got these two offerings from Penrite Racing. The Silver Bullets, as driven by Matt Payne and Richie Stanaway, the 2024 Taupo. I can never get that right, sorry all those Kiwis out there. Super 440. These two cars are bloody brilliant. I actually have to say that Penrite, actually, their liveries are probably my favourites. And as we're recording this now, all the cars are being released for the Indigenous Round up at Hidden Valley. And I have to say, Penrite Racing's offering knocks it out of the park. So well done, guys. You're always making great cars. If you're a fan of Penrite Racing, fan of Matt Payne or Richie, get these cars. They are bloody brilliant. Now let's go and do some more themed stuff. Carrying on with the theme, now it's Indigenous stuff because we had Chaz. Now we've actually got the Indigenous cars from Shell V-Power Racing from 2024. I have to say these cars look outrageously good. If you're a fan of the Indig stuff, that's cool. If you're not, that's cool. I'm not going to get into any of the political stuff on that. I think the cars look mint. If you're a bit of a fan of that stuff, grab them. If you're a fan of the team, grab them. If you're a fan of either Anton or Will Davison, grab them. There's a whole bunch of reasons to buy these cars. Now speaking of themes, we've got one last little set that I actually quite like. Let's go and get them out. I dig these because I'm a bit of a retro fan and kind of the cars that Dad drove, especially for Jack. If you don't know, Jack Perkins is the son of the great Larry Perkins. Both of these liveries are based on cars that Larry drove. This is sort of based on the Big Banger livery that raced in '84, and Peter Brock and Larry Perkins managed to get a win at Bathurst. And obviously this is based on the 1993 VP that Larry and Greg Hadsford drove. Both kind of updated to get all the Shaw and Partners racing stuff all over them. I think they're brilliant cars. I really liked them at the time. If you're a fan of Jack, we all love Jack, let's face it. You better grab these cars. They are bloody brilliant. One last set of cars to get through and I think we'll be done. Right, one last cab off the rank. We're back to the future. These are the 2025 season cars from Team 18. We have the Dewalt car as driven by Anton Di Pasquale, who was perhaps in another car that we've already done. And obviously the Tradie car is driven by David Reynolds. This is the first of the Tradie cars, so if you recall, there was a whole bunch of colours that they went through. So there's the pink and the purple. I think that's the grape one. We'll be doing a bunch of those as we go, but let's start with this one. These are basically the cars that raced at the Sydney 500. Both pretty cool stuff. If you're a fan of Team 18 or the boys, jump in and grab them. That's pretty much it for our 143rd selection for this round. As always, like, subscribe, ring the bell, and do all that other stuff we tell you to do here. There's always new stuff coming through, so keep an eye out. In the meantime, keep collecting, and I'll see you later.